Yeah, day of Friday, 22nd of May, and about 3 in the afternoon right now. Outside temp is 90, but the humidity is over 65%. The feel like temp is approaching 100, and it feels every bit of that too. It is miserably hot out there, sticky. You sweat, it just sits there, it doesn't evaporate to cool you. And birds got a little bit of seed left in the bird feeders. I'm not going to fill them today. I'm going to make them empty those feeders and eat the seed on the ground. I'll come back tomorrow, fill them back up, and plan today is where I need to transplant my broccoli. I'm going to take my little 2-cycle tiller, till that area, knock down the green, and get my broccoli transplanted and watered in. I think we're done with rain for at least the next 7 days, so I'll come up tomorrow. Of course, I'll water them in when I transplant them, but I'll come up tomorrow and turn the sprinkler on, give the whole garden a real good drink. And I was looking at the lot, it's getting real close, time to spray again while it's short. I need to do that here pretty soon. And, need to go up to the farm too. I got springtime bush hogging getting way ahead of me up there. I got to do some mowing up there. So my day's pretty full in retirement. Today I had to go to my new pain doc's office, drop off the CD disc for my MRI. Every time I get an MRI or a CAT scan done, they always ask me for the disc. I always remind them it should be accessible off their computer. Just link into the facility that did it. And they always tell me that's difficult. It'd be easier if I brought them a disc. So I carry the disc up there, put it in their hand, and I got my follow-up appointment middle of June. Give them time to review that, etc. I had to go to the pharmacy, pick up more meds, and bug them about meds I'm getting short on. I had to go to the bank, drop off payment for my Visa bill. I don't mail it, I just take it direct to the bank and put it in their hand. Back in 2008, 2009, during the Great Recession, I was still mailing the payment back then, and one of them was delayed in the mail. And after that event, I said, well, screw this, I'll just put it in their hand. So I just take it to the bank, drop it off. And in the area, so I came by my little building. I'm trying to do that tilling and transplant my broccoli. This evening, I've got to go to Walmart and get food and some kitty supplies for the indoor cats. Outdoor cats are doing fine. Did dishes today, got that taken care of. So, don't sound like it much, but when you're retired, that's a pretty damn full day. So anyway, let me sit here and drink a little bit of coffee and sweat. I'll go out there and till a little bit and get that broccoli transplanted. That's all for this one. Thank you.